Alright.
Best toy ever.
Yeah.
Oh, you even got it. Yep. Good job.
That's amazing. Yes. Pretty good.
He's playing with all the controls and everything.
I hate to think when it really gets onto it.
Wow.
What is that?
You're going to be on an airplane real soon.
Where's she going?
We're going to Florida to see Fred's mom for 10 days.
Oh,
We leave on the 27th of this month and we come back on the 6th.
no kidding. Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun.
Grandma and Grandpa and Amy, Anna, Sebastian, Fred, and Jane.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Okay. I'm going to sit there.
What are you doing?
Well, there's a story behind that one, too.